Hello, welcome to my channel Cooking with Amelia. Today I'm going to show you on how to make lasagna. First, chop one small onion like this. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan and fry the diced onion for 10 to 20 minutes on medium-high heat until the color is golden. Then add 1 pound of ground beef and cook for 5 minutes. Then add 2 minced garlic and mix together again. Then add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and 3 cups of marinara sauce. Mix together. Then bring the pasta into a simmer. Then cover and cook for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, combine 30 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of parsley. Mix together until combined. Then cook 9 pasta lasagna noodles according to package directions. Spread some of the meat sauce on the bottom of the pan. Add the lasagna noodles on top. Spread the meat sauce on the lasagna again. Then add a cup of mozzarella cheese. And spread half of the cheese sauce on top of the mozzarella. Repeat the process 2 more times. Then add the remaining pasta sauce and the cheese and bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Don't forget to cover the pan with tinfoil before baking. Then set to broil and broil for 3 to 5 minutes. Let the lasagna cool down for 30 minutes before slicing.